Hi guys, today's video is an unboxing video. What I've got here today is an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S20. So this has been delivered by DPD, so let's have a look. I'm not open this up yet, so this is the outer box. There is no branding or anything on this. This might be just some generic Samsung packaging. So let's just open this up. Try this one. Right. So inside we've got the phone itself. Nothing else inside this box. So this is the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. So as you can see, I haven't opened this up yet. The camera can zoom. That's it, focus. So inside the box we have something that doesn't want to come out. Sorry, my hands keep getting in the way. There's nothing else in there. Inside here we have the SIM card tray pin to open the SIM card. We'll need that in a moment, so I'm just going to take this out. There we go. Let's see for that. Let's open this up here. Quick start guide and some information about the warranty. That's all that's in here. So this opens out. So this is, guys, let me just focus on this. So you've got the cameras on the back. You see right there. The power button, I believe this one here, and the volume rocker on the side. Behind there you've got the speaker, the microphone, and the USB connection there. And there's no headphone jack, which I knew anyway, but I think Samsung did fight the fight for the headphone jack for quite a while, but they eventually gave up, which was going to happen, I think. So here, I believe that's another microphone, and the SIM card tray slot just there. You can see that. On the other side, there is nothing there at all. Okay, there's some other stuff in this box. Let me just have a quick look. Let's put the phone just there for now. Let's see what else we got in here. So here we've got the 25-watt charger. There we go, it's 25-watt charger there. Similar to the old one, where you just pop out like that, sort of space saving or whatever. It's for traveling. USB-C connection there, rather than the old school USB port there. That's interesting. What else do we have in here? Nothing at all in there. A strange bit of cardboard. Anyway, let's have a look in here. What we got? So we have USB-C cable. Let's have a look at this. So both ends are USB-C. So both ends of the USB cable are C. So obviously one goes into the port. Where's my, there we go. And the other will go into the phone itself. So that's just that. What have I got here? Here I have, well, I didn't expect that, to be honest. I didn't know there was actually going to be a headset in there, and it is. Look, although they've got rid of the phone jack, we have a USB-C headphones by AKG. Personally, I don't use these types of in-ear headphones. I prefer my larger over-ear headphones when I do use them. But it's a nice little touch that Samsung have put that in there. I thought because they're getting rid of the headphone jack, they may not provide any earphones whatsoever, but they have, so fair play. Right, that's that. What else is in here? Let's have a look. Nothing else. The box is literally empty now. Okay, so let's go back to the phone. So the phone itself, a little bit about the specs. It's a 6.7 inch. I didn't go for the Ultra, because I think it's going to be too big for me, although this actually feels really nice in the hand. The curved edges aren't like the S20 Plus, which I've got, which I'm actually recording off now. You can probably see in the reflection there. Yeah, so this is 6.7, but actually it doesn't feel that much more massive or bigger than my current S20 Plus. 64 megapixel camera on the back at f2.0. I've got a 12 megapixel f2.2, another 12 which is 1.8, and a time of flight sensor which is f1. What else? This is obviously 5G. I'm currently on Vodafone on a 5G package, so I'm going to actually test this out in sort of central Birmingham. It's got a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, usual Gorilla Glass, 120 Hz at 1080p and 60 Hz at QHD. However, I believe the software update will actually give us 120 at QHD at some point. Yeah, so it's got, this is 128 gig storage one. I will be putting an SD card in there. I've got a 128 gig SD card as well, so I'm going to be putting that in there. But yeah, this is the Cosmic Black one. I just wanted to get away from my current one, which is I think it's I don't know what they call it, but it's got the white backing on there. Let's just, where's my SIM card tray? Let me just try and open this tray up. Just, I might as well. Just to show you guys. There we go. So it is actually a dual SIM. So you can put 2 SIM cards in there. But I'll be putting an SD card in there, so that'll take up one of the SIM slots. And the bottom one is the SIM slot. The other one, the top one, larger one, you can either put a SIM or SD card in there. Let me turn it on. So this is the first time I'm switching it on now. Let's get some focus on that. Let it boot up, so you get the Samsung logo there. Taking its time to boot up. Ah, here we go. So there's me waiting for the languages to come up. So I'm over here. Press next. Oh, this is going to take ages. So I'm just going to quickly show you the case that I'm going to be using for this. I always put a case on my phone because I don't really drop my phone very often, or I don't want to jinx myself, but I don't drop my phone at all, maybe on soft surfaces and whatnot, but I always like to protect it anyway. So I bought this case from, I don't know how you pronounce that, to be honest. Maybe some of you guys can correct me. Is it Spigen or is Spigen? Who knows? I don't know. But this one here, this is called the, I don't know what's it called. I think it's called the Ultra Hybrid case. Yeah, so nothing else in there. So this is what comes inside the case. So this is the case itself. So it's got like a, what can I say? It's like a flexible slide, still quite rigid actually. It's a flexible sort of maybe TPU side edging, but the back is solid, which I like. I prefer that really. The current case I've got on, it's not the same brand, but it's got the hard back and sort of the gel sides. The usual cutouts at the bottom for the speaker and the microphone and the USB-C, the camera slot. Nothing massively special about it. However, I believe that once the case is on, you just grab the corner and just peel off this back layer. And I think it's not glass. I don't think it's glass because it's bendy, so it's definitely not glass. It's probably just like a hard plastic on the back. So this is what's going to go on my phone, just to protect it from usual sort of wear and tear when I'm putting on a table or whatever, always rubbing on that. I don't normally put my phone upside down, but it does have a raised edge, so when you do put it down, your screen's not actually touching the table or anything like that. It will be sitting on the edge of the screen, so you're not spraying loads of micro scratches all over your screen. That just reminds me, actually, while I'm here, I wonder if they've put a screen protector on it, because I know my S10 Plus had one. I don't know if you can. Let me just try and focus. Can you just see there? Around the camera lens, there's a film that is actually a stock sort of screen protector on this. So I won't be putting a screen protector on this because I never put one on my S10, and to this day it's got a few little hairline scratches all over it, really micro scratches all over it. But I've still to this day got the original S10 Plus screen protector on there. So I'm gonna hopefully this one lasts just as long, so I'm gonna keep this one on there as well. So yeah, the screen protector's already on there, and this is the case that I'll be putting on the back. So guys, the phone is now set up. It took a little bit longer than I expected, because as soon as it came out the box, it wanted to do a software update, which is about 5 gig, and then I had to move all the data from my S10 Plus to this phone via the Samsung Smart Switch app. One thing I noticed straight away out the box when I eventually set it to 120 Hertz is that 120 Hertz motion. It's really nice, actually. Unfortunately, it's not on the QHD just yet. It's on 1080p resolution, but yeah, it's quite nice. So guys, it's all set up, working. So there are other videos on the internet. If you Google, you will find plenty of in-depth reviews about this phone, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing and a little demo of the phone. So that's it, guys. That is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Thanks for watching.